Hi, welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy by Mary MJ. Today I am discussing class 11 chapter 10 straight lines. We are continuing the chapter. In the last video we started discussing exercise 10.3. Now we are moving on to the remaining questions of the exercise. Question number 12. Two lines passing through the point 2, 3 intersects each other at an angle of 60 degree. So, angle between the two lines is given as 60 degree. If slope of one line, that is m1 is equal to 2 and angle between the two lines is given as 60 degree, then we have to find out the equation of the other line. So, if one slope is given and angle is given, we know that tan theta, angle between two lines, is given by tan theta is equal to modulus m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. And since angle is given as 60 degree, we can write it as tan 60 degree is equal to modulus m1 minus m2 means 2 minus first slope we are taking it as 2, second slope let it be m, divided by 1 plus 2m. And tan 60 is root 3. So, that can be written as root 3 is equal to modulus 2 minus m divided by 1 plus 2m. Taking out the modulus sign, it becomes plus or minus. So, 2 minus m divided by 1 plus 2m is equal to plus or minus root 3. Now, we will get two values here. One is 2 minus m by 1 plus 2m is equal to plus root 3 and the other one is we will be getting two values for m, that is 2 minus m divided by 1 plus 2m is equal to plus root 3 and another one is 2m by 1 plus 2m is equal to 2 minus m by 2 minus m divided by 1 plus 2m is equal to minus root 3. Now, from the first one, we are getting m, we can cross multiply and get the value of m. First one I will show you here, that is 2 minus m is equal to root 3 into 1 plus 2m. Opening the bracket, m values we can write it on one side. So, that is m value means minus m then minus 2 root 3 m is equal to root 3 minus 2. That is minus m if you are taking out 1 plus 2 root 3 is equal to root 3 minus 2, or m can be written as 2 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus 2 root 3. So, using this we can find one equation. Same way, second value of m, from this equation also we can find out what is the value of m. So, there we will get m is equal to minus of 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 3 minus 1. Now, we have to find out the equation. In the first case, we can find the equation using this m. The equation is, two equations we will get. First equation is y minus y1. So, what is y1? Point is given there, coordinate is given as 2, 3. So, y minus y1 means y minus 3 is equal to, first slope is 2 minus root 3 by 1 plus 2 root 3 into x minus 2. Cross multiplying and simplifying, we will get the equation as root 3 minus 2 into x plus 2 root 3 plus 1 into y is equal to 8 root 3 minus 1. That is the first equation. And same way, second equation can be written as y minus 3 is equal to, next slope is minus 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 3 minus 1 into x minus x1 is 2. Again simplifying this, we will get the second equation, that is 2 plus root 3 into x. All the x terms you have to write it together, all y terms we have to write it together, equal to 8 root 3 plus 1. This is another equation. We will get two equations because we are getting two slopes. So that is about how to find out the equation of that line. Now next one. Find the equation of the right bisector of the line segment joining the points 3, 4 and minus 1, 2. Find the equation of the right bisector of the line segment joining. So this is the line segment joining 3, 4 and minus 1, 2. We have to find out the equation of the right bisector. Bisector means it passes through the midpoint and it is perpendicular also because right bisector. So we have to find out the equation of this. Let this be A and B and this is C and D. So we are supposed to find out the equation of CD. So for that, first we can find out what is the midpoint. Midpoint, let it be M. So what is the midpoint? Midpoint of CD is M. That is C is 3, 4, D is minus 1, 2. That is 3 plus minus 1 by 2 comma 4 plus 2 by 2, and that is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1 comma 6 by 2 is 3. 1, 3 is the midpoint. This coordinate is 1 comma 3. Then we have to find out the slope of AB because CD slope we can find out as since it is perpendicular, so negative reciprocal. So slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1, 4 minus 2 by 3 minus minus 1, and that is 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 4 and that is equal to 1 by 2. So slope of CD is negative reciprocal, slope of CD is equal to minus 2. Now equation is y minus y1, the point slope form. So y minus y1 means y1 is 3 is equal to slope is minus 2 into x minus 1, or the equation is y minus 3 plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0, or that is 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Now next one, find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular from minus 1, 3. We have to find out the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular to the line. So this is the foot of the perpendicular from the point minus 1, 3. Let this point be P, and this line, the equation of this line is 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. We have to find out what is this coordinate. So we know that equation of a line perpendicular to this line, here the equation is 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. Any line perpendicular to this line will be 4x plus 3y plus k equal to 0. That is, this will come to this side, this will go that side, and if it is negative it becomes positive. So notice that this is q because slope of PQ will be negative reciprocal, that is the reason. So what is that? Slope equation of PQ is 4x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0, and it passes through the point, this PQ passes through minus 1, 3. It passes through the point minus 1, 3, and if you are substituting in this, 4 into minus 1 plus 3 into 3 plus k is equal to 0. From here k is equal to minus 5. So what is the equation? Equation of this PQ is, equation of PQ is 4x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So we got the equation of this PQ also, but we have to find out what is the coordinate of Q. For that we have to solve both the equations. This line CD, equation of CD and PQ should be solved in order to find out the coordinate of Q. So first equation is 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0, and the other equation is, perpendicular lines equation is 4x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. How can we solve these two equations? We can make the coefficients of y same by multiplying here by 3 and here by 4, so that the equation become 9x minus 12y minus 48 equal to 0, and this can be written as 16x plus 12y minus 20 equal to 0. If you are adding both the equation, we are getting 25x minus this is 68 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 68 by 25. Substituting in any of these equation, either in the first one or second one, we are getting y as minus 49 by 25. So the coordinates of Q, coordinates are 68 by 25 comma minus 49 by 25. Now next one, the perpendicular from the origin to the line y is equal to mx plus c meets it at the point minus 1, 2. Find the values of m and c. That is, thing is that the perpendicular from the origin to the line y is equal to mx plus c, y is equal to mx plus c, meets at the point minus 1, 2. Find the values of m and c. So from the origin, so this point is, this coordinate is minus 1, 2, then the origin is 0, 0. So what is the slope of this line? This we can give it as O, and this point let it be P. So what is the slope of OP? Slope of OP is y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 0 divided by minus 1 minus 0, or minus 2 is the slope of OP. Now what is the slope of CD? Slope of CD is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the slope of CD because negative reciprocal of OP. 1 by 2 is the slope of CD. So m is equal to 1 by 2. Again, in this equation, we know that minus 1, 2 is a coordinate, is a point on this line. So that minus 1, 2 is satisfied in that equation, y is equal to mx plus c. Minus 1, 2 in y is equal to mx plus c. Putting x as minus 1 and y as 2, we will get 2 is equal to m into minus 1 plus c, and the value of m is 1 by 2. So 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus c, or c is equal to 5 by 2. So we got the value of m as 1 by 2 and c as 5 by 2. Now next one, 16th question. If P and Q are the lengths of perpendiculars from the origin to the line, x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta, and x sec theta plus y cosec theta is equal to k, prove that p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. So it is given that P and Q are the length of perpendiculars from the origin to the line. So in order to find out the distance or length of perpendiculars from the origin to a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 from any point to a line, it is d is equal to modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So now if P is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line, so P can be written as modulus. Since it is from the origin x and y, we can give it as 0. 0 into cos theta minus 0 into sin theta minus k cos 2 theta divided by root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. And that is equal to, this all becomes 0, remaining k cos theta. P is equal to k cos 2 theta divided by 1, that is k cos 2 theta. Again it is given that q is the perpendicular distance from the origin to the second line. So what can we write? Q is equal to modulus 0 into sec theta plus 0 into cosec theta minus k divided by root of sec square theta plus cosec square theta. And that is equal to k by root of sec square theta is 1 by cos square theta, root of 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta, or that is equal to k by cross multiplying sin square theta plus cos square theta root of sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta into cos square theta. Then here it is 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and that is q is equal to k by root of sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta cos square theta, that is 1 by sin theta cos theta. So here 1 by sin theta into cos theta, or it is equal to k sin theta cos theta, or we can write this as k sin 2 theta divided by 2. Now the question is, so we got what is P and Q. P is k cos 2 theta, Q is k sin 2 theta by 2. Then the equation we have to prove is P square plus 4Q square is equal to k square. So for that, start with P square plus 4Q square. P square, P is k cos 2 theta whole square plus 4 into Q is k sin 2 theta by 2 whole square, that is k square cos square 2 theta plus 4 into k square sin square 2 theta by 4 means that 4 will get cancelled, remaining k square sin square 2 theta, and that is equal to k square common, remaining cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta, which is equal to 1, or remaining it is k square. So P square plus 4Q square is equal to k square. Now next one, in the triangle ABC with vertices A of 2, 3, B of 4, -1 and C of 1, 2, find the equation and length of the altitude from the vertex A. So in the triangle, in this triangle ABC, A is 2, 3, B is 4, -1 and C is 1, 2. We have to find out the equation and length of altitude from the vertex A. So we have to find out the equation as well as the length of altitude. So this is perpendicular, AD is perpendicular to BC. So in order to find out the equation of AD, we need to find the slope of AD, and also a point is already there. Only thing is that if you are having the slope, we can find the equation. How can you find the slope of AD? Since we know the slope of BC and it is told that AD is the altitude, then slope of BC will be negative reciprocal of slope of AD or just vice versa. So we can find what is the slope of AD. What is slope of AD? For that we have to find what is the slope of BC. What is the slope of BC? BC is 2 minus minus 1 divided by 1 minus 4. That is 3 by minus 3, that is minus 1. So what is the slope of AD? AD is 1. So we can find out the equation of AD. What is the equation of AD? Equation of AD is equal to, equation of AD is y minus y1, point is 2, 3, is equal to 1 into x minus 2. Simplifying this, we can write the equation as x plus y, sorry, x minus y. Taking that y to the other side, we will get x minus y. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the equation of AD. Now, we have to find out what is the length of the perpendicular or length of this altitude. For that, we have to find what is the equation of BC also. What is the equation of BC? Equation of BC is equal to y minus y1. Any one point you can take. Y minus y1 means y plus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 4. That is x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 is the equation of BC. Now we have to find out what is the length of AD. Length of AD means it is the distance, perpendicular distance from 2, 3 is equal to modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c. So here instead of x and y, I can give 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 minus 3 divided by root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2 by root 2, that is equal to root 2 units. So length of AD means it is the altitude from vertex A to BC. So that is root 2 units. Now next one, question number 18. If P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line whose intercepts on the axis are A and B, then show that 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. So given that P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line whose intercepts on the axis are A and B. So equation of the line is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1, or we can write it as an equation, that is bx plus ay is equal to ab, or the equation is bx plus ay minus ab equal to 0, and P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to this line. So that is P is equal to modulus from the origin to this line means we can put x and y as 0, 0. So b into 0 plus a into 0 minus ab divided by root of b square plus a square is equal to ab by root of a square plus b square. And if I am squaring both sides, p square can be written as a square b square divided by a square plus b square, or taking the reciprocal, both sides we can take the reciprocal, that is 1 by p square is equal to a square plus b square by a square b square. Now separately if dividing, 1 by p square is equal to 1 by b square plus 1 by a square. That is what you have to prove in this question. So here P is the length of the perpendicular, and always the distance from a point to the line, the equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is D is equal to modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. That we are substituting here. That we are using here in order to find out the perpendicular. So, P is the perpendicular here and from the origin to the line. So, substitute instead of x and y 0, comma 0, and we are getting what is the distance, and taking the reciprocal on both sides we are getting 1 by p square is equal to 1 by b square plus 1 by a square. So, that is all in that exercise. Thank you for watching my video. Those who haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Bye.